Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings and now let's scroll down just a little bit to find a wallpaper and style. And as you can see right here, we've got the preview of the lock screen and home screen, and under it we've got some albums from which we can choose the wallpaper from. So we've got the option to pick it from My Wallpapers, and here we've got some pre-installed ones. We've got of course our own gallery, so we can pick our photo and set it as a wallpaper, and here we've got some options for the lock screen wallpaper. Under it we've got the option color palette, which I will explain you later on, and here we've got the option to apply the dark mode to the wallpaper. So it simply means that if you will have the dark mode option applied, it will affect the wallpaper, so it will make it a little bit darker. So of course it's up to you if you want to keep it turned on or off. What's more, you've got this button here, explore more wallpapers, which simply means that if you've got your Samsung account, then you will be able to find some new options to choose from, and of course download it and apply. But I will pick something from My Wallpapers, so let me enter here. And as you can see, you've got this downloaded section, and here you will have the wallpapers which you will get from the Samsung account. So let me get back to the featured, and this option is also divided between two different sections. So here we've got a lock screen only, and those are video ones, so they are animated and you can set them only on the lock screen. And under it we've got some static wallpapers which are for the home screen and lock screen also. So I think I will pick first the lock screen only option in order to show you how it works, and I think I will pick this one. So just tap on it in order to check the preview. This is how the lock screen will look like. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on set on lock screen, and as you can see we've got the information that the wallpaper has been applied. Let me get back, let me skip this because I will tell you about it later. And now let's change the wallpaper for the home screen. So here let me pick, for example, this one, as it will match the lock screen also. So maybe this one. So let me tap on it, and as you can see, after tapping you will have to immediately decide where you want to set it. So you can set it as a home screen, lock screen, or both, and I will pick only the home screen. And as you can see here, we've got the preview of how it will look like. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on set on home screen. As you can see, we've got the information that the wallpaper has been applied, and finally here we've got the color palette, which simply means that your device will take the colors from the wallpaper which you've just applied, and you will be able to pick from three customized palettes, and those colors will be applied to the, for example, notification bar, to the icons, and so on and so on. Of course, if you want to, you can keep the default option here, but I will pick one of those, and I think I will maybe pick this one. Yes, this one. So just mark the one you'd like to use. What's more, here you can decide if you want to apply the palette to app icons. I don't want to do that, so I will keep this option and just like it is right now. So if you're happy with your choice, just tap on apply. As you can see, the wallpaper and color palette has been applied. So now we can go back and check. And here we've got our home screen with the wallpaper we just set. Let's check the lock screen also, and as you can see, we've got the lock screen with new wallpaper. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.